TNT Katropa and San Miguel Beer on Monday formalized the one-on-one trade that will have the Beermen acquiring the rights to superstar player Terrence Romeo in exchange for 2 relievers and 2 future first-round draft picks. To get its hands on Romeo, a 3-time PBA scoring champion, San Miguel has agreed to give up backup guard Brian Heruela, big man David Semerad and the team's first-round draft picks in 2019 and 2020. Players involved have already been notified of the deal as trade papers have been sent to the league office in Libis for approval by Commissioner Willie Marcial. Reached for comment, Marcial said the league's 4-man trade committee, led by technical supervisor Erik Castro, is in the process of evauating all trade proposal, including another one by SMB for Blackwater guard Paul Zamar. Zamar, a journeyman who is coming off a breakout season with Blackwater, is set to be reunited with father and SMB deputy coach Boise through a trade that will net the elite 2 future second-round picks. News of the impending trade leaked hours before Sunday's PBA rookie draft as details of the falling out between the enigmatic Romeo and TNT started to emerge, including the player not attending team functions for weeks now. Romeo, 26, was the 5th pick overall of the 2013 draft who emerged as one of the most flamboyant scorers in the league in 4+ seasons with Globalport before he and Youssef Taha were traded to TNT for Mo Tachue and future draft picks. The former Far Eastern University star had an infamous shouting match with Northport coach Pito Gerencio before the trade at TNT, where, sources said, he had a fight with teammate R.R. Pogoy in practice